BabyBus.
Look, Muriel, there are so many yummy foods in the street market. Wow! Ice cream!
Popcorn.
Huh?
Wow!
Super Big Burger is done!
Oh no, it's an earthquake! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Wow, Super Rescue Team!
Oh, everyone, don't panic! Protect your head! It stopped! Take cover in the open area over there! Follow me!
So scary! Things are falling down everywhere! Oh, that place looks safer!
Hurry, this way! Oh,
I better hide here!
watch out!
Oh no!
Super shield!
Help!
Electric poles, transformers, street lamps, and billboards can easily collapse. Glass can shatter and fall too. Hiding near them is very dangerous.
I got it!
So many people. Let's use the overpass. Hurry to the open area. Huh? Watch out! It's collapsing! Super protective wall! During an earthquake, overpasses and bridges can easily collapse. Stay away from them. We got it!
Protect your head and crouch down.
It stopped! Great! Can we go back now? We can't go back yet. There might still be aftershocks. It's safer to stay here.
The earthquake stopped! Oh, my lovely foods! I'll take you out of here! Ouch! This road is so bumpy! Such a big pit! Ouch! I'm losing control!
It's Mr. Dao!
Let's go save him.
Oh, that hurts! Oh no! The car won't start!
Oh, watch out! Get out of the car!
My car got smashed!
Let's go! After an earthquake, pay more attention to road conditions and take cover in an open area. Don't drive too fast.
If your car is trapped, get out of it immediately to avoid more danger.
That's how it is. I understand.
There might be aftershocks soon. We need to hurry.
My lovely foods!
We're almost there. Huh? Huh? Where's Mr. Doe? Leave the foods alone. Come back.
Okay, I'm coming!
Oh no! It's an aftershock.
The ground is cracking! Help! I can't hold it anymore! Somebody help me!
Huh? Mr. Doe! Super speed! Let's go!
That's so scary!
Everyone, if you experience an earthquake on the street, please protect your head.
First, make sure you are safe, and then quickly move to an open area, and never go back for your things.
I understand. Gray Donkey, this is Air Traffic Police Officer Bat. A flock of birds are in front of you. Get out of the way.
What? Birds? Oh no! I can't see anything!
Don't panic. Just follow my directions. Steer to your right.
Copy that!
Go down.
Thank you, Mr. Bat.
No problem. That's what I do. Gray Donkey is ready to land. Copy that! Clear the runway! Yay, perfect! Mr. Bat is amazing. He stopped another accident.
Yeah.
Mr. Bat, are you all right? My ear really hurts.
Hold that Kiki. Oh.
No way!
Watch me. Hey, good job. You did great. Huh? Emergency.
Kaka, what's the emergency?
Bat, the only flying mammal in the world. He sends out ultrasonic waves, receives the echoes by his ears, and finds the location of the target. He is an air traffic controller, also known as Air Traffic Police Officer, but he's feeling unwell and can't do his job right now. He needs your help.
Oh,
We're on it. Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Mr. Bat!
Oh, the rescue team!
Mr. Bat, what's going on?
Control tower, control tower. Grey Wolf's all ready to land.
My ear hurts so much, I can't do my job.
Don't worry. Let me give you a checkup. Start analyzing. Here's the result. His ear got swollen and infected, so it couldn't work well.
Got it. I'll give him treatment right now. Where's the swelling? Huh? Oh, it's so deep. Oh, what's going on?
Just a few moments. Kiki's doing his best to help.
I'm sorry, it just hurts so much.
Why is there so much water in Mr. Bat's ear?
Water?
Maybe it got into my ear when I took a shower.
I'll take care of it. Now to reduce the swelling. It's all done. How do you feel, Mr. Bat?
Much better now. Thank you so much.
Control tower, control tower. Grey Wolf's low on fuel, requesting landing. Control tower, Squirrel's requesting takeoff. Wasp is requesting landing.
Requesting landing.
Wasp is requesting landing.
I'm so confused.
Requesting landing.
Don't worry, just leave it to me. Mr. Bat! I'm so glad you're okay. Start checking the runway. Grey Wolf, land on Section B. Squirrel, ready to take off. Wasp, land on Section C. Eagle, land on Section A. Leopard, land on Section D.
Yay! All
Wonderful!
Wow, you're amazing, Mr. Bat.
Yeah, you really are.
Control tower, control tower. Sheba Dogs requesting landing. Sheba Dogs requesting landing.
Sheba Dog, this is the control tower.
The runway's all clear to land.
Copy that.
Oh no!
Control tower, I have a problem with my engine.
Stop all landings and takeoffs right now. Sheba Dog needs to make an emergency landing.
Attention ground staff, get ready for the rescue operation. Let's go help them too.
Ground staff, help the passengers with emergency evacuation.
This way,
Go,
please.
everyone.
Come on! Oh no! Be careful! Ground staff, be careful of falling debris.
Everyone, be careful.
Ah!
Watch out! Super speed!
Oh, we're safe! We're still alive!
We're so lucky.
Captain Sheba! Captain Sheba! Captain Sheba!
I'm fine.
Great!
Thank you for saving me.
Bye-bye, Super Rescue Team!
Bye-bye! Super Rescue Team keeping you safe!
Hi, I'm Kiki, the leader of Kiki and Mew Mew Rescue Team. Whoever's in trouble, we'll be there to help. Oh. Be careful! Momo, I didn't know you could cook.
I have so many talents that you guys don't know about.
Let's eat now.
Okay, try the most delicious food in the world. Stir-fried carrots, carrot buns, carrot soup,
Deep fried carrots.
steamed carrots.
Huh? Emergency! We've got to go!
Don't go! You haven't eaten the food. Stay and finish it. Kaka, what's the emergency?
Elephant, mammal, he has a long trunk, he's a firefighter, but he has some trouble while putting out a fire. He needs your help.
Kiki and Mew Mew Rescue Team, let's go!
Are you okay? Why is the rescue team not coming yet? The fire's getting bigger! The rescue bus! You made it! Help me! I start coughing when I suck up the water!
Don't worry, we'll help you right now.
Let me take a closer look.
Thank you. Now my trunk will be fine.
Start analyzing. Results are in! His trunk is blocked!
Blocked? Oh, then I'll go inside his trunk and find out what's wrong. So dark in here. Wow. Where's the blockage? Even further? It's so deep, but I have to go further. Whoa! Whoa! Ha! Whoa! Ah! Huh? Mew Mew, he's got some gum stuck in his trunk. Huh? The wind is so strong.
The gum is blocking his airway, so the elephant can't breathe well.
Aha! I'll handle it.
Mr. Elephant, what's wrong?
My trunk, it's so itchy. Achoo!
Kiki, how's it going?
Haha! Problem solved.
Wow, that feels better. Oh, thank you so much. Help! Is anyone there? Please help me!
Huh? Ah!
Help!
The sound is coming
me!
from under there. I'm gonna scan. It's Grandpa Turtle! We have to help him right now!
Huh? Ouch! Ouch! It hurts terribly!
Be careful! He might get hurt more! We can handle this!
Okay.
I need support from the headquarters! Kaka, we have another problem! We need Pilot Momo's help!
Copy that. Momo, we have a support request from Kiki. Please move out now.
Copy that! Here comes the flying Momo!
Move the sideboard! Grandpa Turtle's trapped underneath!
No problem! On it! Fly up! Up, up, up I go, flying even higher. Up, up I go, woo-hoo.
speed!
Kiki, are you okay?
I'm okay. How's Grandpa Turtle? Ah!
Huh?
I feel dizzy. I just went to buy a bottle of soy sauce, then this happened.
Well, you're fine now.
Kiki and Meow Meow Rescue Team, thank you for saving me.
Thank you all, firefighters.
Oh, thank you! It's all thanks to your help.
And don't forget Momo!
Of course! Thank you!
Yeah!
Achoo!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Whoa!
Kiki and Mew Mew Rescue Team, keeping you safe!
You need better skills to climb well.
Strength is more important.
How about a competition? Let's see who can reach that first.
Okay.
There's an emergency!
It's mine.
Catch it! Woohoo! Yeah!
Hey!
Kako, what's the emergency?
Gecko, reptile, unique leg structure, an expert in working at height. Mr. Gecko just called for help. He suddenly can't climb as usual. He needs your help.
Super Rescue Team, let's go! Miss! When can we see the rainbow-colored banner?
Soon. I'll put it up soon. Then you can see it.
Wow! Awesome!
Oh,
I won't let the kids down. Oh,
don't worry. The Super Rescue Team will be here soon. Look, the rescue bus.
Oh, you made it.
Mr. Gecko, what's wrong?
I was climbing the wall. Then I touched some bird poop. I slipped.
and fell to the ground. Now I can't climb the wall again.
Don't worry. Mew Mew, check on Mr. Gecko.
Okay. Start analyzing. The results are in. The SETI on his hand is injured.
SETI? What's that?
Look, the gecko has a lot of hair on his foot pads. They're called SETI. They're adhesive and enable the gecko to climb the wall safely.
Oh, so now that they're injured, he can't climb.
Oh, that's what happened.
Is this serious?
Don't worry. You'll recover soon. Start! Shrink!
Wow!
Scanning! Wounds detected! Super recovery machine! All done!
So itchy.
Huh?
Mr. Gecko, don't touch it!
Huh?
Kiki, are you okay?
Sorry, my hand was so itchy. My hands are all better. I can climb the wall again.
Mr. Gecko, I just heard it might rain. So we will start the event earlier.
I'll start working right now.
Only 15 minutes left.
Huh? Oh, not enough time. The kids will be really disappointed. It's all my fault.
Mr. Gecko, we'll help you.
Thank you so much. But who can climb up to the same height as me?
Don't worry. Calling headquarters. Kaka, we have another problem. We need Hank's help.
Copy that. Hank, Kiki asked for backup. Please move out now.
Copy that. The great Hank can solve any problem.
Mr. Gecko, catch!
Still a lot left. Oh.
Aerial ladder.
Huh. Wow, great! We can get it done together. Huh.
Wow, I want to try too.
Now let's put up the banner.
Leave it to us. Oh no!
Super speed!
It's falling! Luckily you got it. Mr. Gecko, sorry.
Well, sorry for what?
Just now, you lost your tail. It's all my fault. Huh?
Wow!
Huh? What? How did that happen?
Let me check the data. A gecko's tail is weak. He will drop it when in danger and grows a new one quickly.
Oh, I see. Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe. Ghost! It's a ghost! Run!
Hi, everyone. I'm reporter Chameleon, and I'm here to investigate a mysterious ghost case. Now come with me and take a look. Huh? There's no ghost here. Am I mistaken? It is a ghost! Ouch!
Kaka, what's the emergency?
Chameleon, a reptile, can change his color according to the temperature or his mood. He's a reporter who covers mysterious cases. Just now, he got hurt by accident while doing his job. He needs your help.
We're on it!
Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Mr. Chameleon! Mr. Chameleon! Mr. Chameleon!
Ghost! Stay away from me!
Mr. Chameleon, we're Super Rescue Team.
Super Super Rescue Team? It's so good to see you. Oh no! What's going on with me?
Don't worry, I'll give you a checkup. Start analyzing. Here's the results. Mr. Chameleon's pigment cells are damaged, so he can't change his skin color.
I see. Leave it to me. Super recovery machine. It's all done.
It doesn't hurt anymore. Yay! I can change my color again.
Whoa! Mr. Chameleon, you said ghost when you saw us.
Oh, the ghost! Yeah, I saw it. It was so scary.
It's impossible. There's no such thing as a ghost.
But I got a video of it. Look at this!
Something's wrong.
Mew Mew, let's go.
Super Rescue Team catching a ghost? Aha! This is gonna be an exclusive. Hey, wait!
The flowers are all ruined.
Yeah, what a pity.
Something's over there!
Let's go have a look.
Huh?
It's just fallen fruit.
It's the ghost! Go away!
Mr. Chameleon!
Go away!
Super Rescue Team! It's over there!
Let's go.
Wait for me!
Stop right there!
The ghost showed up, and Super Rescue Team is chasing after it now! My camera! I got it!
Oh no, it's gonna run away.
It's a squirrel!
Later, guys!
Watch out!
He's in danger. Super speed.
Kiki!
We're all right.
What's scary isn't the ghost, it's the squirrel.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Mr. Squirrel, why are you pretending to be a ghost and scaring people?
This valley was full of flowers, but more and more people came and ruined the flowers and plants. I was afraid of losing my home. So I disguised myself as a ghost to scare them away.
I see.
We're all responsible for protecting nature and the environment. Mr. Squirrel, we'll help you.
Hi, everyone. This is Reporter Chameleon's exclusive, the most beautiful flower valley in the world. Let me show you around.
Hi, I'm putting up a warning sign.
Hold on, please. Don't pick or touch the flowers. I'm sorry.